Good morning. I've got so many like little niggly things that I have to do that I've been putting off for weeks. We're gonna do them today. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then I'm gonna get on with the day. So this is my breakfast. I know it looks so pathetic. This is not my usual breakfast, just so you know. I've planned like quite a decent lunch, so I'm just having a small breakfast. That was actually really nice. I feel like I could have eaten more of it. I'm experimenting with putting powder under my eyes. Big influencers and like all like the pretty girls do it. They put the baking powder with like one of them little powder puffs and they just press it under their eyes and it's like baking. Everyone seems to rave about it, but I feel like it looks so terrible. But I think I figured out the reason people do it. It looks good on camera basically, especially good for flash photos. Finally starting to realize certain things about makeup. It girl like makeup that all the glamour girls do, it actually doesn't look that good in real life, but I gotta say it looks good on camera. I was just editing this and I realized I might have come off a little bit sassy. Absolutely no shade to glamour girls. I love glamour girls. I just wanted to make the point that we shouldn't compare our own makeup skills and the way our makeup looks to what we see on social media, because makeup always looks better on social media. Okay, back in my room. Because I'm in quite a small room currently, it doesn't take much to get it messy. So I'm constantly cleaning up in here. I need to take the bin out. I've got piles of things that need to go. I don't know what to do with this BRATZ doll. I don't even know what this is. This whole big bag of clothes because there's nowhere else to put my clothes. This is like overflowing. I don't have enough room to put my coats or my shoes, so some of them are downstairs. Anyway, so enough complaining. So grateful to be able to live here. Luckily, Dad's letting me put stuff in the garage. So I'm gonna have a little tidy up. Yes, guilty. I don't like Shein, but I feel like such a hypocrite because I have bought things from there in moments of weakness, but I really do try not to shop on there or look on there. I've made 2 orders in my life. One of them was recent. So just getting it out there, I am not a perfect person. I buy most of my stuff from Vinted, Depop, charity shops. I do have moments of weakness and guilt though. So anyway, I have this box under my bed, which is basically full of underwear, but it's become like an issue. I have all my socks, underwear, swimwear and pajamas in one like quite shallow box. Tight, like there's nowhere else to put stuff. I have to frequently go through this box. I decided to get rid of this stuff. I've got all my swimwear down here. I might find another place to put that. And I don't know what to do with these socks. Look at this. I have worn these to death. I can't bring myself to get rid of them, so I'm going to wear them until they actually die. Also, just realized I'm showing my underwear to the whole world. Woohoo! I have made a little piece of room in my shoe rack clothing shelf to stuff my pajamas. I do have this bag under my bed full of like rave festival costumes. So I've decided I'm going to put my bikinis in there. That goes on back under the bed. I'm now going to take some stuff out to the garage, but whilst I'm there I'm going to get some of the bits that I've sold because I keep all the clothing that I'm selling on my Depop and my Vinted in the garage. Oh, Bumblebee got inside the garage. We're gonna have to wait for him to come out. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Oh no, he's gone back in. Okay. That is one massive Bumblebee. Okay, he's gone. He's gone. No, no. Oh my god, he's following me. Oh, he's gone back in. Okay, he's gone back in there. Right. I'm gonna have to like get in there and close this button. Dude, would you just get out of there? What are you even doing? Get out of there. Come on, Bumble. He's finally come out. I've shut myself in here. So this is all my stuff in the garage. These are the things I've sold. 3 items. There was more, but I couldn't get them to the post office in time, so they got cancelled. Anyway, let's go. Not to be TMI, but this is insane. Okay, these underwear, right? I've barely ever worn them because they're freaking tiny. Look how small they are. They're about the size, not even of my waist. Guess what size these are? These are a 10. A 10 in UK size is like a medium. Small, medium-ish. Dude, that's like an extra small. Boot Avenue, what are you doing? Where's that supposed to go? Like, look at that. These are the most uncomfortable effing knickers I've ever worn. My shampoo exploded in this bag, so I got to clean that. Something happened to my boot, so I need to clean this. This I recently bought. It has a hole in it. This needed a wash anyway, so I figured since there's shampoo in here, I can just wash it at the same time. I adore these boots. They're from the 2000s. I found them for £2 in a charity shop many years ago, but unfortunately any moisture, they will just get mold grow all over them. I have to continuously clean them and look after them, but how gorgeous are they? They're also from a brand called Hobbs, which my mum worked at in the 90s. It just kind of reminds me of my mum. I found some old postage bags, so I'm going to pack up these clothing that I need to send off this weekend. There's one. Look how tiny it went. You say you don't want to get in trouble, that you doing fine 'cause you... I'm cold, so I've put on my dressing gown and a scarf. But you gotta wake up to reality, 'cause I can see in your eyes. A quick thank you to the sponsor of this video, which is iRestore. They sent me this red light helmet. There has been so many videos and tests on the effectiveness of red light, so I won't go too in depth here, but essentially it really can work if you're using the correct device and using it consistently. The iRestore Pro is FDA cleared. It's been approved by various doctors and dermatologists, including Dr. Dre here on YouTube. It uses a mix of laser and red light that stimulate and reactivates dormant hair follicles, and it's designed to reach your whole scalp. It has had so many positive testimonials. You can see for yourself on their website below. Now, yes, these things are an investment, but considering how pricey hair loss treatments and transplants are, I can understand why, because you're basically buying an ongoing treatment that you can use as much as you want from home. And unlike other methods, the iRestore is non-invasive, reusable, and requires almost no effort to use. Comes with a super long lead, a timer which you can pause. You can even get a rechargeable battery attachment so you can move freely around your home. I'm so excited to be trying this out. I'm using it almost every day, so you'll probably be seeing me use this a lot more in future videos. Of course, I've got you a discount code. You can get a massive $525 off. It's in the description. I might try and re-sort out this whole clothing fiasco because I don't have enough hangers, some dresses that I want to take with me to Italy. I didn't really like this one, so I've ordered another one. They're all secondhand. I recently got this from a charity shop. I don't know why. I love it. It's a men's. I thought maybe it would look cute with like my white shirt, or I could just give it to Lewis. I'm gonna steam it, so let's just wait for that to heat up. I don't know whether to get rid of this big white jumper. I've had it for years, but it's like so bobbly and like so gross now. I used to just keep it for wearing around the house because it was warm, but it kind of makes me feel frumpy every time I wear it these days. I might try and freshen it up, but it might be time to say goodbye to this jumper. I'm also just gonna take my little vitamin gummies. Our head is full of dreams. Tears are approved. I'm gonna have a quick go through all of my jewelry because my jewelry boxes are quite small and they're starting to overflow. Let's see if I can get rid of anything. For failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. Rings, earrings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces in here. And then I'm just getting rid of these two large pairs of earrings that I never ever wear. They just take up room. So I'm currently writing a Moonpig card because it's my brother's birthday. He's turning 30, so it's like a big deal. It was making me a bit teary-eyed, but anyway. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever. Oh my god. God, speak of the devil. One of my dresses arrived today. The only one. This is the last one I ordered. This is the dress. Straps looked so weird. I could not find a way to make them work. I figured out if I just tied it and made it a boob tube. It's very summery and cute and flirty. Whoa, okay, today is the day for post. I am getting a lot of things that I've ordered. Wall calendar. I decided to get a yellow one, but it's not the prettiest. Do you know what? I might cut this ugly part out. I still don't really like the black border, but that's how I know what day it is. We're just gonna deal with it. I'm going to attempt to make this calendar look kind of cute and aesthetic by only using pink markers on it. Diddly doo da doo, baby. I wrote down 3 different events on the wrong dates. Oh, there is nothing quite like ruining a fresh calendar. Before I did it all out, now we're gonna start again. Finished filling in the calendar. This is what it's looking like. It's a few days later because my week got kind of busy. I think the reality is you can't always get everything done in one day. So I'm just being realistic. So I'm gonna continue where I left off. I'm gonna start with washing my retainers, which I actually do every week.
I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge.
Just printed out a little returns form. I've got a few things I need to take to the post office today.
You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy.
I've got my parcels ready. It's an absolutely gorgeous day, so I'm gonna go take a little walk to the post office. It was a really lovely day, but now it's gotten a bit cloudy and windy, and I'm hoping it's not gonna rain. Oh no, how do I get around this monstrosity? Ow! I was 4 minutes late and they've closed for lunch. I'm gonna come back in an hour. I thought I would have a look in this little telephone box. How cute is this? Oh my god, who remembers this book? The Rainbow Fish. Is this just a UK thing or do they have this in other places? Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so cute, right? Ah, this is all washing that needs to be done. Are you someone who washes your coats? Because I am. Such a cute jacket. I got this secondhand. It's from the 2000s. As usual, over the months of wearing it, it's just got like stains. I'm gonna throw this in the wash.
Is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
I've been trying to get this candle to burn evenly. This is actually one that I made with loads of leftover Yankee candles. I melted it all down, added 2 little wicks in there, and it was burning really nicely until it wasn't anymore. I saw this trick online where you wrap the candle in tin foil and it helps it burn evenly.
Could be something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
We're gonna see if that works. Just having a little snack before my next task. Freaking love wheat crunchies. These things are so yummy. It is about damn time that I wash my makeup brushes. I haven't washed them in a little minute. Like, this one is gross. So let's just get all my brushes out.
Ooh, yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah,
This is what I use to wash my brushes. It's so easy. You just pop it in the sink and like there's so much surface space. I just find that this is the easiest thing. So I'll link it below if anyone wants to buy one. They're super cheap. I just used a bog standard shampoo because shampoos are great at getting out grease and dirt from your hair. So it's gonna do the same thing with your makeup brushes.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make.
This has been in my laundry basket for about a month now. It's one of those things that can't go in with the normal wash because it's made of silk. Seeing as this is one of those vlogs where I am getting the nitty-gritty things done, I'm gonna go hand wash this in the sink. I think I'm just gonna use shampoo to wash it because I don't want to use a whole wash pod thing.
Got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head.
I think it worked. All evened out. Look at that. It looks great. Okay, it's the morning and the one thing I didn't get to do last night was mend this shawl. I bought this recently and it's so pretty. It's a vintage beaded shawl. Oh, it's so cute. It has a hole in it here, which was kind of good because I got it for way cheaper, but I do need to mend it. Have a needle and thread and let's get to it.
About you, I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I fixed it. You can kind of tell where I fixed it, but it looks better. It is Saturday, it is the weekend, so I'm gonna go relax now. If you liked this vlog, you might enjoy these similar ones, or you can head over to my Patreon where I've posted a lot more vlogs on there that aren't available on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty active on there. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! Mwah.